Hello, my name is Firas Aleem and I'm the Computer Science subject lead at Knowness. Here's a little about me. I did my Master's of Philosophy in Advanced Computer Science at the University of Cambridge. Prior to that, I completed my undergraduate degree at the University of Birmingham, earning a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. I ranked 4th in a cohort of over 400 students, which was quite a rewarding experience. During my undergraduate studies, I discovered my passion for teaching while working as a teaching assistant for a first-year maths and logic module. Despite being an undergraduate in my second and third years, my optional tutorial sessions attracted over 70 students, which was both challenging and fulfilling. I'm truly excited to be your instructor for this GCSE Computer Science course, and I look forward to sharing my knowledge and enthusiasm for the subject with you. Computer science is all about understanding how computers work and how we can use them to solve problems and create exciting new technology. In this study guide, you'll learn key ideas like designing algorithms, organizing data, and developing programs, all of which help us understand and shape the digital world around us. This study guide is packed with engaging lessons that are fully aligned with the OCR J277 specification. Together, we'll cover all the core concepts and knowledge you need to ace your exams. This guide is specifically designed for the OCR specification, and the best part is you can choose how you want to use it. You can watch the videos, listen to the audio version, or read through the material, whatever works best for you. We'll take you through all the key topics, step by step, breaking down tricky concepts into clear, easy to understand explanations. Whether you're gearing up for exams or just brushing up on some important areas, this guide has everything you need to feel confident and ready to succeed. So grab your headphones, open your notes, or sit back and hit play. Let's dive into the world of GCSE Computer Science together.